Salutations! Welcome back to a new episode of Safrat and Cypher's channel. Today we have QUETZALCOATLUS. First here is the Lego from Dominion. Right here. We didn't have the Rebirth yet, so this is the Dominion Lego. Okay. And we have here is, I believe this is a Dino Rival QUETZALCOATLUS. There's the DNA scan. It still looks new, even though it is a classic one now. Where is the... Yep, it says right there 2018. 2018, that's been years now. So this button right here goes jumping. The second button goes flapping in the wings. There you go. See? It looks weird without a tail. I mean, it has a really short tail. You can fold the wings like that. Looks like a jet plane already. And we have here the Dominion QUETZALCOATLUS. You can also fold it. They look a little different. The crest looks different. It has no sounds yet. The DNA scan is right here. And then the button right here makes the wings flap. Look at that. See? Then there's a button in the belly now that opens up the mouth. So totally different. It is the same base, I believe, but they changed the feature. And the head crest is different now. Alright, the reason I brought this 3 out is because we have the new aerial ambush Jurassic World Rebirth QUETZALCOATLUS. Yeah, it is way even bigger now and has a new sculpt. Okay guys, we're gonna unbox it, but first is we need to check the box. There you go, roar and chomp, wings expand, that's super cool. Okay, there's a sound right there. It's like the biggest QUETZALCOATLUS yet. Available at Walmart now. I'd like to give a big shout out to my loving wife. As a birthday present right here. Let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Look at the wings. It's really cool now. They even suit it. So you can fold it properly like a real QUETZALCOATLUS. Okay, let's open it up. You have to be careful. Yes, thank you so much, baby. Oh gosh, why can't it? What's going on here? Why can't it go out? It's still stuck. Oh, there it is. One more. I didn't see this. You have to be careful not cutting ourselves. Oh, what? One more in the neck. Okay, finally it's out. Oh, there you go. It expands. That's a nice background on the packaging. So let's check out. Wait, Sephiroth.
Okay. What the box?
So it is definitely better now.
The button? You go sit. What does that do?
So what does this button do? Oh, there's the sound. It has a new head crest compared to the.
Like this? Like
wow,
like,
even way bigger now.
Like sitting down.
Oh, I see.
Like sitting down.
So when you fold it, there you go. You have to do it yourself. It's manual. So you can make it stand, fold the head. There you go. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wow.
You need to tie well.
Yeah.
You need to
click it. There you go.
Yeah.
See? That looks so cool. So you can stand now.
Yeah.
So this is pretty much the best QUETZALCOATLUS yet. It can stand by its own now. When you push the button, it flaps its wings. There you go. See?
Fly away.
Look at that. Yeah, that's so cool, huh?
You heard the enemy.
Look at the wingspan in this thing.
Yeah.
Well, let's compare to the rest. See? Look at that.
It's smaller.
It's way bigger.
I know it's small.
What about the Dominion QUETZALCOATLUS? Oh my goodness, look at the wingspan.
Yeah.
I'm sure even this Lego is even smaller. Look at that.
I know this is grow.
So we have 4 QUETZALCOATLUS now. I think I want to grab one more of these to make a hybrid. Yeah, I'll make a hybrid of these. You can, there's an articulation, the
Yeah, I
arms.
just saw these already.
You can turn the hands. Super cool thing. I love it. This is the first. Oh, there's the DNA scan. It's right on his thigh underneath.
That's funny. Wait,
That's
are
the
you
first,
how
yeah.
do you put in the neck?
I know. So it's just right there, hidden. It's not on the back. Oh, this is so cool, huh? Sephiroth, yeah. See, you can do that now.
Yeah.
Like a.
I
Look at that! How awesome that is.
Yeah. This picture's
That
nice.
is so cool. It is also looking like the Titanosaurus. The white stripes right there.
You know, like the tail.
The beak is also different now
Fall down.
compared to the Dominion version. Look at this. Super cool thing. Gigantic bird. So let's push the button one more time and show it. Whoa, there you go.
Let's go.
That's sick. Then we all push the first button. There you go. That's a sound.
Hello.
Yeah, that's so cool. Nice. I don't know if you can paint this though. Oh yeah, I think I can paint this. Yeah.
He's right.
Yeah, we can do this. We can use a leather paint if we make a hybrid. Yeah,
Right.
definitely. Nice. Oh, so I think we should call this, give this like a legendary status instead of an epic status. See, you can even articulate its legs right there. Super cool thing. One more time. Yeah, I love it. You can twist it right there so it can crawl. See? There you go. Oh, it's for some reason it's going on by its own. All right. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys.
Bye.
Bye for now. Thank you again. Have a good one.
Have a good day.
Yep. Have a good day. Have a good week. One more. Boom. Look at that. Pretty cool. Fairly well. Thank you again.